Hey guys, Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. Today's review is Coursium. What is Coursium? It's not a drug. No, it is a video e-learning platform that will actually you'll be able to make e-videos learning like a classroom, like a Udemy or Teach Me, basically video courses just by clicking buttons, guys. This very, very cool software. Just so you know, here's the reality. Right now, I think it's at about 165, $200 billion a day. No, sorry, a year industry. By 2025, it's going to be about $1 billion a day industry. Like, it's crazy. I was just speaking to someone at the playground the other day, or yesterday actually, and he works in airlines, and he has all this knowledge. He's like, I don't know what I'm gonna do when I'm retired. I'm like, dude, make courses about how do you move from the bottom to the top in a business? How do you get a job at an airport? How do you, like, all these things? People are out there looking for courses for everything. That's why this is such a very cool niche. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the demo, and the demo's cool, but it kind of shows you like it's just scratching the surface of what this actually can do. So I'm gonna show you the demo, and then we'll talk about it, and then I'll show you my bonus page. We'll show you the front end, and I'll show you the OTOs, and then we'll talk about some strategies on how you would actually use this tool, because there's a lot of ways that you could use this one-time purchase and make money for years and years and years to come. So let's jump into the video here. So let me choose the file for this is the demo of Coursium. And where is it here? Coursium demo, there we go. All right guys, I'll be right back.
Welcome to Coursium. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to create a Coursium e-learning course in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to get your video. I'm going to click here on video and then click on add new. When we add new, we have a lot of different options. We can add from a URL, we can add from YouTube, we can add from Vimeo, or from Facebook, or from Dropbox, or even from our computer. Now we're going to add from YouTube. So we go into YouTube and we search for affiliate marketing for beginners, but we can't just use these videos. They are copyrighted. So what you need to do is go to filters and click on Creative Commons. Now this shows us all the videos that the creator has put on YouTube for us to use for free legally. So here's one right here, affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Just click on it. Grab the URL. Now go back to Coursium. Now what we want to do here is choose our video language. We're going to set this to English, United States. Next we are going to click on YouTube, and we're going to paste the URL in here and then upload the video. Now as you can see, our video is in Coursium. Next we will edit and customize it. We'll call this our affiliate marketing video. Set this to public, and we will call this one marketing. And just type marketing here, just so we have something in place. And then we will add the URL. For this URL, we're going to set it to affiliate-market, and then we're going to save that. Now, up at the top, you will see information updated, info updated. And now we have finished step 1. We have added our video. Next step is to create our course page. This is the place our customers will access their course after paying us for it. Click on video page, and then click on add new. And we're going to call this our test page. Then the URL can be testpage.coursium.net. And you can set a logo here if you want as well. And there's a lot more options. But for now, we're just going to save this. Step 1 is done. We have added our video. Step 2 is now done. We have created our course page. Now we bring those two together in step 3. For step 3, we will go back to our video section. Scroll down to the video we just uploaded. We're going to go in here and add password protection for this video, and then select yes for required password. We're going to go with an easy password today, 1234. And we're going to save that. And then we simply click on the settings option again. From the drop down list, we select add to our test page, and just like that, our course video from step 1 is now on our course page we created in step 2. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Let's go to our video pages and open our test page. And there it is, affiliate marketing added to our test page. Now we will open the actual page itself by clicking up here. And there it is. When I click on it, it requires that I enter my password. Your customers will receive the password when they pay you for the course through a PayPal or Stripe button. It's all automated. So I type the password 1234, click continue, and here's our video. So step 1, add our video. Step 2, create our course page. And step 3, add the video course to the course page. This is all there is to it.
Pretty cool, pretty basic stuff. So if you see that, you're thinking, well, that's a sales video, technically. If you know John Gostini, that's who the video was. So like you're kind of going, well, is that going to really work? Yes, guys. So what he's showing is just a demo. Like you could create a whole series of videos on Vimeo, on YouTube, and then bring them into one place as a course, bring them all together. So here's the thing. People are hunting and sort of looking, right? So they can come across your YouTube channel. And let's say you have a full affiliate marketing course where you go, here's how you set up your landing pages. Here's how you set up your autoresponder. Here's how you access the affiliate marketing programs, right? And you have those, and maybe there's like 16 videos that you've done over the years, or you just throw them all up on YouTube. Well, each one of them on YouTube could be pointing back and it's like, hey, if you like this video, you can get the whole course all together right here for a low price of 20 bucks or whatever it is. And you put them in one place where they can just go through and consume them in a course learning thing, right? Also, you can also sell this for other people because you get the commercial license. You can go out and say, hey, the guy I was talking about, do you want to do a course on that? Well, let me set up basically the skeleton for you, and I'll tell you what courses to make, and then you go in and just record the videos. We put them all together. You sell it to them for a few $100 or $1,000 or whatever you want to charge, and there you go. You just start thinking about all these things. So let's pop over to my I'm going to show you my bonus page, guys, because I've put some really cool stuff together for you. So this is going to be the bonus page, Coursium. This video, of course, will go there. And this is going to be good till the 23rd. Now, it just gives you the OTOs. It shows you all the things you can go and get in with the OTOs, the demo. And then the exclusive bonuses. I'm going to give you 1,200 plus video assets, which are really cool. So you're able to use these right in your videos. You're going to need Actor Studio Pro. You're able to make videos for, like a money machine, real actors to sell your products or services, and basically talking heads for doing stuff. So, maybe you've got, maybe you're working with a plumber and he wants to do it yourself plumbing course. And he's got all these, 16 tips of things you can do around the house before you call a plumber, right? Little tips and stuff like that. Great course. It's a $20 course or whatever, or $10 course. And he sells it just to get leads and people onto his email list. Article Buddy. Now here's another angle, right? Create articles and turn them into videos. You just take the article. You can go get an AI. If you don't want to be on video, you can take an AI and they'll read the article for you, make it into a video. You do some slides, it's easy peasy, and you're done. And then, of course, all the vendors bonuses, which we'll get to on the sales page. I'm also going to throw in this giant marketing kit, which is a very cool thing. More ebooks, which you can then turn into products, and then, guys, you'll have original videos that you're using, and of course, a bonus library of hundreds of products to download, which you're then able to turn into video courses. The other thing, guys, you can do is basically you'll be able to go buy PLRs, right? Like go buy a $20 PLR that has 15 videos in it, right? And then you make that as a course, like how to do sit-ups or whatever niche you're in, like how to get a flat stomach. And then someone has created a private label rights package, which you can buy, and then you make that into your course and you go sell that. There's so many ways to do it, guys. This is such a cool program. So let's get into basically who it's for. Local marketers and agencies, right? Help local businesses by creating e-learning courses for them and get paid. Like I said, the plumber, all these kind of things. People are looking for people providing value. if you have a product or service, but you can also add some value to the public before, they're going to come back to you. They're going to call you. Of course, digital marketers can use this, video marketers, affiliate marketers, bloggers. Those are just some of the guys, some of the stuff, guys. Okay, let's go to the sales page. Here we go. The secret app helps you create video courses that bring back buyers again and again. That's true. When someone buys a course from you, they will buy more courses from you. You get commercial license right out of the box, make it easy for you to start earning. Audio transcript, no risk, money back guarantee, no learning curve. You saw how easy it is. So there you guys go. 325 billion by 2025. That's almost $1 billion a day, guys. It's crazy. 2014 was 165 billion, and we're way past that. Tony Robbins was talking about it. So future topics, look at this. 9 million students for Photoshop, 2 million, 3 million people for graphic design, web development, 10 million people. These are courses that were sold, right? This is crazy. Mobile learning could reach 80 billion worldwide by 2027. What's that one? 80 billion, about 80 billion a day? Like, wow, the mobile learning market was just worth. Mobile learning. Oh, on phones. Wow, that's crazy. So PLRs, all this stuff. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. You definitely want to jump into this. And let me see if I can find the bonuses for you. Oh, it'll be on this page. And I've got some other, where is it? E-learning course creation. Get down to the bottom here. There's a lot on this sales page. Definitely want to check it out, guys. I can't get to the bonuses. Come on. Upgrade to commercial license. And that's, I think it's $47 or something, guys. Okay, bonus number 1, making 6 figures with Coursium. Unlock our Access 3-part bonus series. There you go. You're going to get trained on how to do it. Curation pitfalls. Discover the pitfalls of curation content that could be costing you profits. In this training, you will learn how to engage more readers. Value Alchemy, Video Alchemy is a new video making software that will enable you to make completely unique videos while displaying your images, graphics, and trends. So you can use that marketing kit that I gave you right into this. No risk, money back guarantee. So guys, that is definitely it. I highly recommend going and picking this up. Very easy to use. I looked at the back office, very simple. You saw what it is. It's not really hard at all to do. It's going to take some time, of course. Like he's clicking and he's showing how you do one video. You're still going to have the copy and writing, all that stuff. But if you're going to be making videos for someone, or it's so easy to find this information, especially if you're going and hunting after PLRs and using that kind of stuff, because it's all really there for you. You just have to create the video. If you don't want to be on video, go to Fiverr, hire someone, message me. I'll make videos for you if you want, no problem. That's what I have. So pick up Coursium. That's what it is. The link is right below. Go check out the bonus page. Definitely go check it out and you will be totally satisfied. Get into this. This is a great way to make money. This is passive income. Remember, guys, you make the course once. You do the work once and get paid over and over and over and over and over and over and over, right? And when it starts to die down, you just upgrade the course. You make the course again, do the work again, make a new course, bring in new information, whatever's new that's added into that marketplace, and you make the course again. It's that easy, guys. You can just keep doing this every year, every 18 months. You make a new course, do an angle. Maybe you get some feedback that people want to learn something else, so you make a course on that, or you just creating courses. It's an awesome, simple way to do it from anywhere. All right, guys, have a great day and pick up. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, please, and give it a likes up. And by the way, put in a comment on what kind of bonuses you guys. I have a gigantic bonus library, guys, and sometimes it's hard for me to think of what my subscribers want from me for bonuses. So put in a comment below what kind of bonuses you're looking for, like what kind of software. Are you looking for graphics packages? Are you looking for software? Are you looking for learning items? Whatever it is, put a comment in, and I will definitely make sure that my bonuses reflect that. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.